Hey guys, welcome back to QA Crunch. So this is Roshan Zamir. So today it's a continuation of synchronization. So today's topic is explicit wait. In the last topic we saw what's meant by implicit wait and how it can be used in our programs. So today we will be seeing a little more on explicit wait. So what's the need for going for the explicit wait? So if you would have looked on the previous session, the implicit wait is has been declared only once at a time, and it is used in the lifetime of the driver instance. Right, if you are going with any of the particular element, you are waiting for a particular element to do the operation. I mean, you are clicking some link and waiting for a text to be appear in the next page. So it may be take sometime 5 seconds. In another run it may take 10 or 15 seconds. So there won't be any standard in the waiting time. So you need to wait for a particular element. So to overcome this issue, you can go with the explicit wait, whereas you don't want to use the implicit wait here. The reason is you are going to use this wait for the particular element, so that you need to overcome the exceptions like NoSuchElement or ElementNotClickable, etc. Okay, those kind of exceptions need to be overcome. So let's go with this, and we'll be just go with the theory first, what it does. Okay, so one sec, I think network is down. Okay, all right. So this usually takes the this comes from the package of expected conditions. Okay, it is a class which already predefined, and from that only we are getting these explicit weights. So we will see how this works in an example, and I hope you will be getting more idea on that once we get to see this example. Okay, so this as usual I'm going to launch the browser here, so using driver.command, and here I'm going to do some click operation in my website. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use a explicit wait here. So before that, we have syntax for this. What we need to do is we need to create a object for this WebDriver wait. Okay, WebDriver wait equal to, can give object name new WebDriver wait. Here you need to specify the driver instance driver and what's the time units in seconds. I'm going to wait for 10 seconds here. Right, if you could see here on the top of it, I think I will show in the next step what the package is imported. Okay, alright, so now what I need to do is I need to wait for this manual testing link to be clicked. If it's not there in a DOM, it needs to be wait for 10 seconds. So in the previous example we would have got this XPath. So I'll be taking this XPath, and you can have a predefined, you can declare a, sorry, not a predefined, you need, I will be defining as a, I will be declaring a variable as link manual is equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath. I need to pass that XPath in it. Okay, so just close this by using the semicolon. Right, now I will be having this web element, something element equal to here what I need to do is I need to call the object which you created in the above step, wait dot until this is a method. So what I need to do this expected condition. Expected conditions dot, here you could see lot of methods in it. Okay, it is a predefined method. You can use whichever method it's applicable for you. Here I'm going to wait for this element to be clickable. So I'll be going and using this element to be clickable. So if you're using for frame, or you're you're waiting for any alerts, you can go based on those kinds of methods if you want. Okay, here there are plenty of methods is there: visibility of the elements, visibility of all elements, URL, and for heading, for topics, for title to be displayed. So you have multiple things. I'm going with the element to be clickable here. So here element to be clickable. What I'm going to do is to click that link manual which we have defined in the above steps here. So I need to wait until this element is present, then I will click this element. Right, so if you see, what we have done is we have created a wait object for this WebDriver wait. Okay, we have passed two parameters in it. One is driver and another one is time unit in a seconds with a value for what time we are going to wait. Here I'm going to wait for 10 seconds. If you are going to use 20 or 30 seconds, you can go ahead. So next step is we are going with the web element, and the created for a created object I need to do the syntax here. So I'm waiting until expected conditions. Expected conditions need to be, I'm here using the element to be clickable. Here you can do any kind of operation based on your requirement. So here you can see the expected condition class is imported here. By this expected conditions only we are getting this wait or until we are achieving this operation. If you see, for this WebDriver wait import section is used for this WebDriver wait. So for this waiting object we are going to use this WebDriver wait import, and for this checking the conditions we need to use the expected conditions class. Right, so if we run this program, what it does, it will be going to the particular browser and it will be looks for the particular element. Here the manual testing, it waits for the manual testing to be displayed. If it's done, it will be clicking that particular element and we won't be getting any issues like NoSuchElement or something. Okay, so basically this is a main explicit wait will be using while you are handling while handling your exceptions like this NoSuchElement, those kinds of things. You can straight away go for this explicit wait. And apart from this, if you see, we have a fluent wait which is used. We can give you our polling time. Okay, here I think here in explicit wait we have defaultly 256 milliseconds of polling time. For each 256 milliseconds it will be checking the DOM. Okay, if it's not there, it will be throwing you the exceptions after 10 seconds, which I have specified here. Okay, so in a fluent wait you can give your own interval. So in a later session we will be seeing what's mean a fluent wait. Right, so now this is how the explicit wait is used in our code. So please go through it and just have a hands-on in it. If you have any doubts, please leave your comments. If you like this channel, please subscribe it. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.